It's your boy Q Indigo Saint. Let's get it. Indigo Saint in the building. Blackrue investing. Let's go.
Who's this producer?
Best believe it was Blackrue investing. With your money, you ain't gotta be guessing. Profits is what we manifesting. So we binge on that Blackrue investing. Best believe it was Blackrue investing. Got course in this race, we ain't resting. We got stocks, we got crypto with a blessing. So thank God for that Blackrue investing. Best believe it was.
Alright, guys, it's your boy Blackrue back for another video. You can catch me every Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Benzinga channel, where we go over stock and crypto, mostly crypto, on the Ruell Report every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So blessed to be working for Benzinga. If you don't know who Benzinga is, they're a worldwide leader in stock news. They provide stock news for TD Ameritrade, WeBull, amongst others. Today, guys, we're going to be talking privacy coins. Now, guys, I know privacy coins. Most people think privacy coins. They think, okay, somebody's doing something nefarious, something illegal. That's not what I'm thinking here. So, maybe you're aware, maybe you're not, but the whole war that's going on in Ukraine and Russia, the U.S. to put some financial pressure on Putin, MetaMask decided to not let any transactions go on in Russia, and despite like whatever side or anything that you're on both sides, there's people who are in this war who have nothing to do with the war itself. They're Russian people over there who are suffering, and if I'm a Russian, say like U.S. citizen, I should be able to send my family member some money via MetaMask. I just should be able to do that. Um, so so the deal is, um, what's to say that that couldn't happen to us, where one day MetaMask says we can't send money to our loved one. Um, so that's a real concern. So due to that, we're looking into privacy coins. That's just what it is. Just understand, it's not a nefarious lens that I'm looking through. I'm looking through as the lens of somebody who would want to send my friend or my loved one in Russia money so that they could get out of the country that's cut off all their services, all their internet, stuff like that. So understand that's the lens we're looking through today. So I'm going to give you guys my top three privacy coins. The patrons, they got a bigger list already delivered. I do a Patreon, $7.77 a month for weekly watch lists. So if that's something you're interested in, it's less than $2 a watch list. Come on over and check that out. The link will be in the description. But for coin number one, we're going to be talking Haven. Now, there's a particular reason why this list will not include Monero, and this list will not include Zcash. Zcash, it's only optional to be private there, so not including Zcash. And Monero kind of has a target on his back, so I'm not gonna include Monero. But Haven's actually based off of a Monero fork from 4 years ago. Consequently, they were actually hacked a year ago, but they figured all that out. What makes Haven kind of stand differently than the rest is that they have a stable coin, a private stable coin. And we all know that these privacy stable coins are the things that we kind of, well, the stable coins in general are what we want to kind of put ourselves in when Bitcoin's being volatile or the market's kind of being bear, or like just to save our earnings, right? At a stable, like at a stable price. Now, uh, Haven's pretty unique because just like Terra Luna, they have like a logarithmic way of pegging their stable coin And the reason they do that, it's a whole bunch of mathematics in it. But the basic mathematics about that is you don't want to peg your stable coin, say, to US dollar. US dollar is constantly inflating due to like the Fed putting out money and stuff like that. So you want to make your stable coin more logarithmic, because that way it's more insulated to inflation and things like that. It's more likely to stay pegged at a one value if you make it logarithmic to like more than one type of stable coin. So very cool that they do that. That's one of the things that set it apart. It also, they just recently, and by the way, that's not a smoke detector. That's one of my tokens just going buck wild over here. It's Matic apparently. Okay, so um, another another deal about Haven is they just recently got a deal in place with Tourchain. So one of the deals that makes Haven is going to make Haven really good is that you can off ramp your money to the Tourchain, and that's one of the biggest problems with Monero. Is just once you have your money in Monero, it's kind of hard to get it out. Um, so kind of with the use of a VPN and stuff like that, um, you can make Haven kind of just totally private, because there's no tracking here, and you can offload it pretty easy to the Tourchain. It seems like they just made a pull request, so everything may not be fully in place with this, but it's at least linked up. So that's number one, Haven Protocol, and sitting at a pretty decent price as well. These kind of ran when that whole thing happened with the MetaMask deal, and they're kind of having a little pullback right now, which is perfect. We can get into it right now, and I think long term these might have it, definitely it's possible for them to get back to these $17 marks. It's been to 17 twice now, so with it sitting at under like at 350 right now. Oh my gosh! So that's like what like a 5x would be 17 pretty much, right? So like a 5x from now. Okay, so that's Haven. The other one I want to go over is Piratechain. Chain's very interesting. Oh, my mouse. Piratechain's very interesting because it does have Tor capability. Like you can use it in conjunction with Tor, which is kind of the private VPN that you can use to get onto the dark web. Um, they offer privacy via this thing called, where is it? ZK Snarks technology, which apparently ZK Snarks technology even has resistance to quantum computers. So that's why the U.S. government hasn't really cracked these things yet, because they're even resistant to quantum computers. So yeah, so pirate chains definitely want to look out for. Supply isn't as low as Monero. Monero is only about like 30 million or something like that. If we go back, I'm sorry, not Monero. Haven. See, yeah, it's only about 30 million. But sitting here, Pirate Chain is only about 200 million. And this guy, man, this guy was pretty high. This is as high as $12. Is sitting here at $1.67. So honestly, that's like more than the 6x if it can make it back to that $12 mark. So yeah, and as you can see, it too got a little rise going on due to everything that happened with the MetaMask at the beginning of the year, or I'm sorry, at the beginning of March. So Piratechain is our number 2. And number 3 is a coin called Secret. Secret is connected to the Osmosis, like Cosmos chain, and it's kind of pretty new. It hasn't been around that long, but was high as $10. It's sitting here at $4.51. So if it reaches 10 again, we get a doubled up there. The cool part about this is that it has its own chain as a part of like Osmosis and a part of Atom. But I was always wondering why. If you come look at the DeFi, Osmosis has a lot of money in it. I always wondered why that was. It's probably due to the secret and the privacy there. Um, so if you come over here and take a look, Osmosis has like 1.68 billion locked in it. I was wondering like, why can't you buy Osmosis that many places? It's because it's really a lot connected to Secret. If we come down here, we look at Secret. They got a little bit of stuff going on themselves here, but the cool part about Secret is, um, it seems like you can use a Kepler wallet with Secret, and Kepler wallets you can connect your Google account, which is obviously not private. So they also have other wallets you can use. So basically, I said that to say there's a secret and a non-secret way to be on Secret. So um, that's completely cool. That's really completely cool in my mind. But let's just go over here and kind of look and see what other wallets you can use. Let's see. Well, you can see here, Secret has its own little um, stash of like DApps. They have a secret like DeFi and all these different things. They're even gonna have NFTs. You can see here. But let's see here. I wanted to see what all the wallets were. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So Citadel wallet. I'm sure there's some ways. Ledger. So Ledger is just like a hardware wallet, right? So there's many ways you can kind of do this in secret and not have to, use a Kepler wallet and you know, um, use Google and all of this other stuff. So there's a definite just use your ledger, have it be secret, and that way, you know, no one knows. So those are the top 3 for me: Pirate, Secret, and Haven. And like I said, the patrons have a fuller list. One of those on that list I'm pretty high on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got a push here we're trying to make to 1,000 subscribers. We're around at 904 now. Please like and subscribe. I've been taking a look. If you go watch the Benzinga show, there are a ton of you not subscribed yet. So yeah, just if the show is valuable to you, like and subscribe, guys. Totally getting this information for freezies. Please, yeah, like and subscribe. Check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.